Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to mirror the screen of your iPhone or your iPad over to your Tab S8 series. So on your tablet itself, we're going to load up the Google Play Store, and from here we need to download the AirScreen app. So search for AirScreen, select the top one which has this logo right here, and make sure you have it installed. Once it's installed, the next step is on both your iPhone or your iPad and your tablet. You want to load up the settings app, tap into connections, Wi-Fi, and make sure the Wi-Fi network on your Tab S8 is the same which you're planning on connecting and mirroring to your iPhone or iPad. So you can see here, TP-Link 0909, TP-Link 0909. Also make sure if you have any VPNs connected, you turn off the VPN connection. Also go into you're going to see configure proxy, and make sure that is set off as well. So once we've done this, we can load up the AirScreen app. So we'll just tap on open. It will ask for permissions, so let's grant these permissions. So we'll do while using the app. Confirm. And you can see get started, scan the QR code. So what we're going to do is we're going to load up the camera app, and we're just going to hover over that QR code. You're going to see at the top right here, this icon. Tap into that, open in Safari, and then we see AirScreen. So it says what type of content you want to share. We need to change the rotation, so we'll do like so. And so we're going to share the entire screen. So let's tap on the entire screen, and what it's going to show is the process we need to take. So what this process is we're going to swipe down from the top right where this battery icon is. So slide and hold, and then once you see this menu here, you can release. There's this little icon here. You're going to tap into that icon. You see screen mirroring. You see this name, AirPlay. Tap into that. So tap on it. I'm going to try that again. It seems like it glitched out. And there you go. You can see the tick has been selected, so it just took a bit of time. And now watch this. So you can see this is my iPad screen being mirrored to my tablet. Look how cool is that? Very, very fluid, very fast, completely free to do as well. It's actually pretty darn cool to see this. And if you change the orientation, you can see everything is mirrored without fail. So that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.